In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send Discord embeds without a bot. This is perfect if you want polished, rich-looking messages but don't want to set up permissions, tokens, or webhooks. We'll use a simple embed link generator, then paste the results straight into Discord. I'll keep it clear and beginner-friendly, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to make sure your embed shows exactly how you expect. Start by opening the Nemtudo embed link generator in your browser. This tool builds the structure of an embed for you, so you don't need any code. Once the page loads, look for the field labeled author. Even though it says author, you can treat this as your title. Click into that field and type the title you want your embed to display. Keep it short and descriptive so it fits nicely on one line and is easy to read at a glance. Next, move to the description field. This is where the main text of your embed lives. Type the message you want to share, maybe a quick announcement, a summary, or instructions. Aim for a few sentences and avoid overly long paragraphs. Emojis work fine here, and simple line breaks can help with readability if you need them. When your title and description look good, click the Create button. The generator will build your embed and provide options to copy it in a Discord-friendly format. First, click Copy. This ensures the underlying link used to produce the embed won't visibly clutter your message when you paste it. After that, click Copy Message. This copies the final ready-to-paste content to your clipboard so you can drop it directly into Discord with no extra formatting required. Now switch over to Discord. Open the direct message or server channel where you want to post the embed, click in the message box to focus the cursor, paste what you copied from the generator and press enter. Your embed should appear immediately with the title and description you created. A few quick tips: if you don't see the rich preview, make sure link previews are enabled in your Discord settings and that the channel allows embeds. If the result looks off, try shortening the title, tightening the description, or recreating it once more. Remember to respect channel rules, avoid spam, and proofread your text before sending. You can always edit or delete the message after posting if you need to make changes. That's it. No bot setup, no tokens, just a clean embed in seconds.